everybody. All right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious food. All right. Look, my table. How busy and colorful. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make fried zucchini. All right, guys. If you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe, all right? Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel on YouTube. You can go to Lourivalpcostafilho's kitchen show. All right, I will be right here. All right, very good, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what I have on this table to make this delicious recipe. All right, for the zucchini, all right, I have 4 eggs, doesn't matter if it's large or small, doesn't matter. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 cup of corn starch. Also, I have 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs to bring the flavor together. All right, very good. Also, I have 4 large zucchini. Very good. See the size, how beautiful looks. Very nice. Please bring the camera together. Very nice. Very good. All right. This zucchini I find in the farm. All right. So also I have 4 cups of oil. All right. If you need more, just add it. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, don't use. Very good. All right. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of parsley. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Also, I have 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. All right, guys, very good. Now, this is for the sauce. All right, for the sauce, I have 2 tablespoons of lemon. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, don't use. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. Also, I have ½ cup of ketchup. Also, I have 1 cup of mayonnaise. Very good, guys. Would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. I will be very shortly. All right, welcome back. All right, let's prepare this. All right, I'm gonna use my salt. This is my salt. Very good. This is my corn starch. Very good. Or slowly. Very good. That's my corn starch. All right, this is my plain breadcrumbs. Very good. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, guys. Very good. Also, this is my parsley. You guys can bring the camera together. Very good. This is my black pepper. All right. Very good. This is my Parmesan cheese. Very good. All right. Looking good. All right. Very good. All right, guys. Let me mix this. All right. And I will be right back. Hey, guys. Welcome back. Very good. Now, what I'm going to do, my next step, I'm going to break my eggs. Very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. Very good. Break right here. All right. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, my second one. Very good. All right. Throw eggs. Get there. Very good. All right, this is my fourth. This is very easy recipe, guys. All right, you guys have to take your time. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, let me mix this. All right, now I'm gonna put my hot sauce. Very good. All right, that's gonna taste delicious. Very good. Right, let me mix this, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. All right, my next step, I'm gonna warm up my oil. Very good. Very good. All right. Very good. My next step now, it's gonna be my zucchini. But before that, if you guys need more eggs, just add it. All right? Am I gonna need more eggs? All right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add it. Very good. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how to cut the zucchini. All right? Very good. Right, the end, just cabbage. You have to cut both ends. Very good. All right. Now to cut, you don't have to cut small or big, medium size. Right? Just bring the camera together. See how big it is? That size is perfect size. All right? Very good. All right, guys. Let me cut the zucchini. All right? And stay tuned. Welcome back. All right, now everything is ready here. My eggs. Now I'm gonna mix it up. All the ingredients. All right? Make sure if you don't miss one. All right? Make sure if you don't miss one ingredient. Very good. That's looking very good, guys. All right? It's gonna taste good. It's gonna be good. But, all right, guys, let's go. Very good. Now let's start this. All right? Very easy to do it. Very good. All right. Mix it up there. Right? That you can go here. Very good. Make sure if you get the size too. Right? So, looking good. Very good. All right. And I'm hungry. All right. Very good. All right, guys. It's a lot here to do it. All right. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my show. All right. Very good. My zucchini is ready. All right. It's bread already. Looks beautiful. All right. Let's cook these babies. Going to cook with me? All right, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. Very good. Put close to here. I already put some paper towel here. All right. And let's start this. My fry pan is preheated. All right. Very good. All right. Looking good. Very good. Hey guys, let me cook this zucchini. All right? But stay tuned. All right, time to check. Very good. All right, very good. So now I'm flipping, all right? So let's cook both sides. Very good, all right? All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, guys, let me flip this. All right, and I see you very shortly. All right, welcome back. Very good. My zucchini is ready. All right, so let's put here. Oops. The plate, nice and crispy. All right, you guys can see that. Very good. Make sure if you drain the oil. Very good. All right, it's looking beautiful. And the smell all over my kitchen. All right, very good. All right, let me finish this and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. Now I'm gonna fry the next batch. All right, so very good. All right, looking good. This, I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. All right, take your time and it's gonna be good. Very good. All right, let me finish this. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. All right, my zucchini is frying. All right, it's looking beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the sauce. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. All right, I'm gonna start with my ketchup. Very good. This is my mayonnaise. Very good. Very good. All right. Now this is my black pepper. This is my lemon. This is my garlic powder. Very good. This is my salt. And this is my hot sauce. Very good. All right. Looks nice and colorful. Very good. Now mix it up slowly. All right. Very good. All right, let's mix it up this. All right. And I'll be right back. Hey guys, I almost forgot to check. Ooh la la! Looks beautiful. Sheesh! It's almost ready. I'm gonna let this cook for 1 more minute and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right. Show you the final product. All right guys, beautiful, nice and crisp. You guys have to take your time. All right. And you're going to impress your guests. All right. This is a party for 8 or 10 people. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. Hey, guys. You have to try this recipe. All right. I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right. Very good. Cheers.